If you pre-assemble any kits or you do any special projects in your warehouse, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm really proud to introduce work orders as part of our Spring 2023 product releases as ShipHero. Many warehouses pre-create kits or have other special projects, and they need end-to-end visibility and tracking of that process within their WMS. So what is work orders? Let me walk you through those steps. Step 1, create the order. This is what I want to be in the kit. The scheduled date can be assigned by the warehouse manager so you can track different priorities and your entire team can have visibility into when different projects are going to be done. Next step, you define what's in the kit and you upload any instructions or information needed. So you can upload pictures of what the final assembled kit should look like, PDFs, all the information that the warehouse needs, all in ShipHero. Next step, we pull the product from one location or from multiple locations to create your kits. All tracked as you would expect, who did it, when they did it, on a timeline, same as everything else in ShipHero. Full visibility, end to end for everyone in your building. Next step, print the barcodes, create those kits. We all know sometimes assembly takes more than one day. That's fine. You can create 1,000 units one day out of a 10,000 unit order assembly, and it's still all tracked. You'll have those 1,000 available, and you still have the other 9,000 available later. The completed kits are all available to ship just like any other SKU in ShipHero. So no different process, same as what you're used to. Watch the longer video for an explanation of all the detail of how you do everything. It's really well done. But if you do assembly or you do special projects, this is gonna make your workflow and your visibility way better. Bonus, if you're a 3PL, you now track the work in real time from a billing perspective. For example, $2 per completed kit. That'll be recorded automatically as you create those kits, which gives you one less way to forget to bill a client, because I know people sometimes forget that and you don't receive that money. And secondly, it happens at creation of the kit, which means you get paid faster. It's going to make your warehouse run way smoother, help your cash flow, reduce your labor costs, and give you increased visibility. I'm really proud of the team that put this together. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our team. We'd be glad to walk you through it.